All right. And how old are you?
67.
67 years old. And why did you come to our office?
Excruciating back pain, inability to walk, stand for any length of time.
Okay. And what did you just tell me today?
I haven't used a cane in 2 weeks, and I did a home project which I used to love to do and haven't been able to do for 2 years.
And why is that?
Too much pain to do it. Now I can.
Now you can do it.
Right.
And that's a good thing?
Absolutely.
Okay. And you like that?
I loved it.
Now, were you skeptical when you came to the workshop?
A little.
A little. Okay. That's to be expected, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And because it's new stuff, right?
Right, exactly.
And are you happy with what we're doing?
I'm ecstatic with what's going on.
And how long's it been?
3 weeks,
3 weeks. Well, almost about a month.
maybe.
Yeah, about a month, which is pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
And you've had this problem for how long?
20-some years.
20-some years.
Yeah.
Okay. And so is there anything you want to tell people who are thinking about doing this?
Get off the dime and give it a try. It's worth every penny.